So is another repair video. Well, it's not a repair rather than changing a battery. So I found that my Sanwa handheld multimeter or bucket multimeter is not working, which is most probably the internal battery is dead. So in this tutorial we will learn how to replace the battery of Sanwa PM3 model multimeter. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so before we dismantle the digital multimeter, let's have a very fast look on the interface here. So you can see here it's got a DC voltage, okay, frequency and duty measurement, got AC voltage at the same time, also frequency and the duty cycle, and also got ohm measurements, resistance measurements, diode, buzzer or continuity, and also capacitance measurement, which is very useful and handy. I tested a lot, I use it a lot. It's very useful. You can put it in your bucket, very small size, take it anywhere you want to do your testing. Okay, and it's for sure Sanwa as a Japanese brand, is very well known, trusted brand. Okay, so yeah, got too many nice functions and very small in size and also very trusty multimeter. Okay, so to dismantle it, take it out from the pouch, then we can see here we have a single screw. So we need a Phillips screwdriver, then we just undo it. There we go. Okay, so take out the screw, and it looks like the screw is what they call a metal thread insert inside. It's not a self-tap, which is a good sign. Okay, yeah, as you can see here. So open the cover. Yeah, you can see here this is the metal thread. That's good. So it means the screw won't be loosey-goosey very soon, so it will last long time. And also you can see here this is the lead input, where you can see the strain relief mechanism here. So if you pull the leads from the outside, you won't directly put the stress on the solder joint of the leads, because the leads in this multimeter come pre-attached. You can detach them and attach them back again. Okay, you can see here all nice and well laid out. So yeah, here's the buzzer and here is the battery that we're going to change. Okay, so to take out the battery from the place, I believe we need a flat screwdriver. We put it in this place here, then we pop it up. No, oh no, actually we just need to pull. Sorry. No need to pull anything from here. You just need to come from this side, then you pull it like this. There we go. Now it's released from its place. Okay, so now we need to find a replacement to this guy, which is CR2032. Is very common coin cell battery, which you can use it for many of the devices. Okay, that's good. So let's go and find the battery first. Okay, so here I bring the replacement battery, which is again CR2032, which is 3-volt coin cell battery. But before I replace the new one, I would like to test the old one and see what is the voltage, the current voltage for this guy. Okay, so I have my another multimeter here. I'll use it to measure the voltage of this guy. So I'll power up. Here we go. So we use this to measure the voltage of this guy. So usually it's 3 volt. Here we go, it's 3.1 volt. Although you can see the voltage here looks good, 3.12, but I believe the power, the overall power of this battery is not that good. So if we put any load, we might see the voltage, it will be dropped very fast because it doesn't have the enough power to support the device. So if I just, for example, try to apply any load, you see here, I'll just rub my finger on the try to short the positive and negative lead of the battery using just my finger, and you see the voltage how it drop very fast. You see 2.8. If I put like more, might go even more, 2.7. Here we go. So this guy, it has only like floating voltage around 3.1, but actually it doesn't have enough overall power or energy to power up the multimeter. That's why it's fell. You see, when I wrap my finger just to make a short on the positive and negative, you see the voltage drop very fast. So that's why we can confirm that this guy is gone. Okay, so now let's go and change the new one. Okay, so here's the new one. Open it from the place. And again, guys, it's better to use glove or finger condom so you won't touch it directly to the, touch the battery directly. Anyway, so here we go. So we will install it again. Make sure it's off. Nope, it's not off. Okay, now it's off. The positive will be on the upper side. Okay, so this will be positive and the lower side will be the negative. Okay, so this is the positive here and here is the negative. Okay, so positive will be up. Again, same the way we took out the battery, we put it back again. So we place this edge first, then we push it. Okay, place here, then we push down. Now we will put back the back cover. Okay, there is a small clip here. If you see, this one should go first. Don't go from the lower side. This one need to go first. There we go. Make sure the leads also in place. Then ensure the rest of the cover is closed probably. Then we put back our screw, small screw. Put it back. Then we screw it in place. There we go. Now we should see the multimeter come back alive again. Here we go. That's good. And by the way, this multimeter is auto range. Can you imagine? It's small, accurate, and auto range some more. Perfect. Okay, so the guy is ready now. He's ready for another few years of service. I remember I bought this multimeter like, yes, seven years ago. 7 years, and since then I never changed or replaced the battery, so it kind of lasts long. Okay, now I'll put back all the holders on the back. Here we go. This is good one here. Yep. Okay, now let's do small tests again. Power up. This is the voltage. This is a DC volt. Yeah, let's put this guy down here so you can see it nicely. Okay, so this is the voltage. Let's measure the voltage again. Negative, positive. Here we go, 3.1 again. And if I just wrap my finger on the side, we should see, wow, it go even 2.6 volt. Yeah, so this guy did again. Okay, so yeah, looks the multimeter looks, it's live again. This is for the AC for sure. We don't have the AC source now. Let's test the buzzer. So for the, usually when you select this option, it will come first at the ohm, so we need to use the select button to change it to the buzzer. So now in ohm, or what we call resistive mode, so you press again. Now we measure the diode voltage. You see even the diode voltage here, the diode sign, sorry, or icon. Now we are in a buzzer mode. So now if I short the leads, I should hear the buzzer. Okay, but this lead kinda rusty for now, maybe need to clean it. That's good. I'm happy with it. Okay, so good for time being. Okay guys, so I hope you have learned how to replace the battery of your own, or DIY battery replacement of your digital multimeter from Sanwa, which is PM3 model. Okay, see you soon in the next tutorial where we will repair another device. Happy learning.